As one of the world's leading poultice manufacturers, we often get asked how to properly apply poultice. In this video, we will not only show you, but also supply helpful information to ensure you're selecting the proper poultice for you and your horse's needs. To start, select a high-quality poultice for your application. Cool Out is a non-medicated poultice for cooling and reducing inflammation. Cool Out is often used routinely after workouts and competitions, and you can use it on a thin-skinned horse. It won't react with other medications. It is the safest poultice to use. Original Premium Poultice was the first product ever manufactured by Finish Line and contains additional ingredients to provide increased results on a more serious case of swelling and inflammation. And our Easy Willow Poultice is our most medicated poultice and has the highest level of additional ingredients for extreme situations. It will do a spectacular job for pain management, swelling, inflammation in the legs and feet. Clean legs thoroughly with Castile soap or other non-medicated cleanser. Many people use waterproof disposable gloves before they start. It helps keep your hands clean and can help mold a better poultice. Apply poultice evenly, quarter to half an inch thick, to affected area. Mold and shape with wet hands. Cover that with wet paper. Cover with cotton. Apply quilted pad over paper or plastic. Wrap pad with standing bandage. Leave on overnight. Remove all wraps and bandages. Rinse off with cold water. Repeat as necessary. It is important to caution you with this. We do not recommend applying to heels or the back of knees. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call us at 1-800-762-4242. An amazing thing will happen. A human being will answer